Good morning, I'm Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre. Today is Tuesday, the 28th of September 2021, and we're taking a look at Crypto Corner. We're going to look at Bitcoin first on the longer time frames and drill down to see the real technical levels impacting on the cryptocurrencies. So we're going to move on to Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano after. We'll start with the weekly chart, sorry, in Bitcoin. Now, we saw a dip lower last week. This got down to a low of 39,573, and since then we have seen a correction higher. However, this is now coming under pressure. China have again come to the market and made it illegal to trade the cryptocurrencies with penalties and fines impacting on those who they find contravening this. So that's had an impact on the exchanges in China, but Bitcoin doesn't seem to have really taken it to heart so much. So let's take a look at the daily chart and see where we've bounced from last week. Last week, the 21st, we've seen this reaction higher, but we have seen this price action stalling at 45,160 and reacting lower from here. Again, we've retested the 40,900 level. This has been a pivotal level for a long while now, and it looks like we're going to remain under pressure. On the 4-hour chart, we've got a triangle formation formed. The initial trend is to the downside, so the expectation is for this to continue. This could be some type of pennant formation with a measured move target, really sort of relating to something like this, which takes us down to around about a 36,000 area. On Ethereum, we've seen the similar sort of price action. We highlighted this potential head and shoulders formation with the neckline around about here. That would be the neckline, and you can see that we've broken through it. We were talking about this last week. Prices have reacted higher, retested the neckline, and remained below it for now. So measure again for this, a measured move formation would be something like this, the head and shoulders formation. We take the top of the head to the neckline and extend it lower, and that takes us down to about 2045. So this could that's looking at about a 50% drop if we manage to break this support here coming in currently just above 2650. So price action again under pressure here. Ripple, we're seeing a similar sort of formation on the 4-hour chart. We've got a triangle formation forming, and again prices have moved to the downside, so the expectation is for this to continue lower, and we currently have support coming in around about 86 cents. Cardano, which is the one that's really sort of caught our eye of late, is also under pressure. The high, which we saw top out around about $3.10, and we're now trading at $2.13. So we can see we've seen from them highs, we've seen a sell-off currently of about 30%. Price action is currently supported at 191. And below there we can see that there seems to create a vacuum from 190 all the way down to 150. Currently we can see we've reacted from this resistance at 245 and remained under pressure. 245, as you remember, is around about the level where we had the all-time high, which we broke through recently. So that for me is the line in the sand for Cardano, on almost a pivot line as to where I would prefer to be short below and look to set up longs above there, obviously targeting the all-time high at 310. Thanks for joining me. I hope it's been informative, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.